Very good morning, students. Students, so far we understand the evolution of money and their types. Now understand the barter systems. What is the barter systems? First, before the evolution of monies, we understand the barter system also. What is the barter system? Barter system also called CC economy. Means the barter systems means exchange of goods in place of exchange of goods. That is called barter system. Means direct exchange of goods and services for other goods and services. Now understand what are the difficulty in the barter systems, right? Lack of double coincident of wants, right? First of all, lack of coincidence of wants. Second, lack of common measure of values, means there is no common measure of the values. Suppose that if you have the surplus of the wheat, we cannot exchange wheat in other commodities because it is not measure the value of all commodities, right? And other thing is that difficulty in storing values, means the goods we cannot store for long times because there is chance of the spoiling of goods and some other chances, and it is very tough to uh, store the goods for long time, right? And deferred of payment means absence of loaning, right? And indivisibility of certain goods. These are the difficulty in barter systems. Hope you understand it. Now to first understand the what is the constituent of wants, means it is also called the double constituent of want. It is an economic phenomenon where two parties each hold an item the other wants, so they exchange these items directly without any monetary mediums. That is called the double constituents of wants. What is the double constituent of wants? The situations in which both the party have to agree to buy and sell each other commodity is called double constituent of wants. For example, the store shoes maker want to buy wheat and the farmer want to buy shoes, then the both can exchange their commodity. That is called double constituent of want. But here what we say, difficult in barter, lack of double coincident of wants. Sometimes lack of double coincident of wants in barter system means the person is not need shoes, suppose that having the surplus of wheat. This is the demerits of the barter system, right? How do you solve double constitutive wants? Solution to double constitutive want: in the barter system the goods are exchanged for goods. This implies that if one wants some commodity, this can be exchanged only by giving some other commodity in exchange. The barter economy needs the matching of wants, means the matching of wants means one person desires the others goods, so then it can be possible, right? So what is different between the barter system and double constitutive wants? Barter system is exchange of commodity of two parties without paying or taking money. In double constitutive of wants, a person willing to sell commodity is bought by another person. Money is obviously involved here. What a person desires to sell is exactly what. In which situations double constitutive want is most suitable? The constitutive want, often known as double constitutive wants, right, lacking a medium of exchange such as money. there is no money only, so which to rely on barter or other in-kind transactions only. Double constant want means that the both party have to agree to sell and buy each commodity. That is called in these situations where both wants and where we do not have the money of as a exchange, then there is the double constituents of wants or the barter systems. But double constant system is most valuable if there is no money, right? So hope you understand it. Thanks for watching this. Have a great day.